So early in the morning, Noman and I decided to come to the nearby hilltop. And now we are there looking at Panjpir. This is the whole village, and we can see that it has merged with our own village, which is Kaddi. And here is Noman, Dr. Noman. He's GMC certified, by the way. So that is Zeda, and beyond that is River Indus, and this is our village, and I can see my own home. It's a beautiful weather. It's lovely. So I was a bit out of breath while climbing up, but still I managed. So that's the end.